Salient features of Indus civilization. Number 1. Town planning. Town planning is a unique feature of Indus civilization. Their town planning proves that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. Indus people were the first to build planned cities with scientific drainage system. The Indus cities were built on a uniform plan. So, town planning was amazing in nature. A few cities have a citadel. Citadel means a fort. So there is a fort to the west built on the higher platform, and to the east of which is the hub of residential area. So hub means what? Which is in the center of residential area. So the west and east side of Indus civilization are surrounded by a massive brick wall. The cities without citadel or fort are found on high mounds. Number 2. Streets. The streets were straight and cut each other at a right angle. They were 13 to 34 feet wide and were well lined. The streets and roads divided the city into rectangular blocks. Archaeologists have discovered the lamp post at interval. This suggests the existence of street light. Dustbins were also provided on the streets. These prove the presence of good municipal administration. Number 3. Drainage. One of the most remarkable features of this civilization is that the city was provided with an excellent closed drainage system. Each house had its own drainage and soak pit, which was connected to the public drainage. Brick-laid channels flowed through every street. They were covered and had manholes at an interval for cleaning and clearing purposes. Large brick culverts with corbelled roofs were constructed on the outskirts of the city to carry excess water. Thus, Indus people had a perfect underground drainage system. No other contemporary civilization gave so much attention to cleanliness. The Great Bath. The most striking feature in Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath. It consists of a large quadrangle. In the center is a great swimming pool with galleries and room on all four sides. There were arrangements for hot water bath in some rooms. In the center is a great swimming pool of 39 feet long, 23 feet wide and 8 feet deep. The swimming pool has a flight of steps at either end and is fed by a well situated in one of the adjoining rooms. The water was discharged by a huge drain with a corbelled roof more than 6 feet in depth. The Great Bath had 8 feet thick outer walls. This solid construction has successfully withstood the natural ravages for 5,000 years. Granaries. Granaries, also known as storeroom or storehouse. The largest building in Mohenjo-daro is a granary, which is 45.71 meters long and 15.23 meters wide. In Harappa, there are a series of brick platforms which form the base for 2 rows of 6 granaries each. In the southern part of Kalibangan, brick platforms have also been found. 3 granaries safely store the grains which were probably collected as a revenue or storehouse to be used in emergencies. Buildings. People of Indus built houses and other buildings by the side of roads. They built terraced houses of burnt bricks. Every house had 2 or more rooms. There were also more than 1-storied houses. The houses were designed around an inner courtyard and contained pillared halls, bathrooms, paved floors, kitchen, well, etc. Besides residential quarters, elaborate structures have also been found. One of these buildings has got the biggest hall measuring 8 feet long and 8 feet wide. It might have been a palace or temple or hall for holding meetings. The workman quarters are also found. There was an excellent system of water supply. There were public wells by the side of streets. Every big house had its own well. They also built a dockyard at Lothal.